friends. Today I've brought a Bharatanatyam and classical dance makeup tutorial video for you. This is a very important makeup video for dancers, especially for those who have no idea about stage makeup. So let's start the makeup. First, I applied moisturizer, then I used primer. After that, I applied dyed pan stick all over my face and blended it well by gently dabbing. Once it was well blended, I used gel eyebrow makeup to shape my eyebrows nicely. Then I applied concealer on the top and bottom of my eyebrows to set them properly. I didn't want to make the video too long, so I did the same on the other side off camera. Under my lower eyelids, I applied a little loose powder so that while applying eyeshadow, if any powder falls on my face, it can easily be brushed off later. I applied highlighter on my upper lips, and then outlined my lips with a maroon lipstick. After that, I applied red lipstick over it to complete the lip look. Then I wore a maroon long bindi, which is mandatory for Bharatanatyam dancers. I decorated the bottom of the bindi beautifully using fabric. If you want, you can use setting spray at the end of the makeup, but I didn't use it here because I didn't need it. Finally, I made a small beauty spot near my lips using eyeliner. Now my makeup look is ready. I put on my costume and jewelry, which are perfectly suitable for the South Indian classical dance Bharatanatyam. In my next video, I'll definitely show you how to do the hairstyle and costume draping for this dance. If you liked this video and want to see more dance-related tutorials, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching patiently. Now for the eye makeup, I took a nude brown shade from the eyeshadow palette and brushed it on my eyelids. Then I applied golden eyeshadow on the upper lid, followed by deep brown eyeshadow on the outer corners to add depth. After that, I used concealer under the lower lids to set the area before applying eyeshadow there. Then I applied kajal on the lower waterline and sharpened the sides using earbuds for a clean look. Next, I drew my eyeliner neatly on the upper eyelids. After that, I applied mascara to make my eyelashes look longer and fuller on both the upper and lower lashes. My eye makeup was complete. Then I applied foundation all over my face and blended it thoroughly by gently dabbing. Once blending was done, I used powder to set the foundation. After that, I applied pink blush on my cheeks, did a brown contour on my nose to make it look slimmer, and applied highlighter on my cheekbones, chin, forehead, and under my eyebrows, on all the high points of my face. And that's how my Bharatanatyam dance makeup look is complete.